Happy holiday open house weekend. It is my holiday open house, and I wanted to share with you some fabulous gift ideas. I hope I get to see you in person, but I know many of you live far or you have things going on. Please reach out and schedule a different time for you to pop in. My holiday open house this weekend is Friday 9 to 7, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., Saturday 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., and Sunday 1 to 3 p.m. Please RSVP and let me know the time frame that you're coming so I know to expect you, and I can't wait to share with you all of my fabulous holiday goodies and that you get to play together with me. So let me just show off a few fun things that you might enjoy. So there we go. The first is this amazing body care set. It is the hair and body wash for men. It is the high intensity and high intensity sport, and it comes in this fabulous mesh bag. You can separate them out if you have two men that you want to gift to, or give the full set. And it can come together like this, or we can wrap it up into a fun bag. And we're calling this one Mistletoe Men. So that's your first men's option. And of course, the next men's option is a Mary Kay cologne. So many different options of colognes that you can choose from. And for women, we also have amazing perfumes. This one is our newest, If You Believe scent, limited edition. But we have so many choices, and I have a chart to help you figure out which ones are the best ones for you. Of course, we have fabulous lip colors. We can always pick you a fun holiday lipstick. And we have the new lipsticks from the fall and some lip liners, but two brand new limited edition lip liners as well, Violet, Lilac, and Tangerine. We always have amazing skincare. This is the new Mary Kay skincare line designed for teens and preteens and very sensitive skin. Of course, we have the natural line too. And Sasa's Santy Secrets has the Mary Kay skincare line that we just showed you with the cleanser and the moisturizer. And you can even add in the toner or the scrub. So that is a fun gift set that you can gift to any preteen or teen to help their skin look fabulous. And speaking of fabulous, the Glow and Go set is a really popular one. It's our oil-free hydrating gel, a satin hands travel size, and then also a travel size or a sample of the gel mask. So that's called Glow and Go. We even have a winter rescue kit. This one is so fun. It's the moisture gel mask and the biocellulose mask. This one is that coconut fiber mask that gives you incredible hydration. It's fabulous. One of those comes in your winter rescue kit. We also have the Santa's Clean Sweep, which is your eye makeup remover, and your micellar water with some reusable cotton rounds. And that is customizable too with your fun gift tag that you can write on. And if you or your friend love bling, here is a fabulous way to bling out your eye makeup remover or your micellar water, and even a little baby travel kit that comes with your eye makeup remover, the makeup remover pads, and then your choice of mascara. So many different options. And you can never go wrong with a masking set. You can add in the masking applicator in these fun little mask sets, or do the full size set back there. We even have satin lip balm wrapped up in a fun little cupcake, or you can do a gloss instead. This one has beach bronze and this one has sheer illusion, but you get to pick your gloss color. And right here we have our hands. These are hand cream and a glove and gloves together with a little coupon inside too, the little inside the glove. But you get your choice of glove and your choice of hand cream, white tea and citrus, fragrance free. We have peach, and we even have the new citrus lilac scent, which is so fun. And since we're on the hands, let's talk frosty hands. These are little frosty snowmen with socks on the top. So there's a hand cream inside. You get your choice of scent, and these make such a great gift, especially if you're not sure what to get people who can't use a hand cream in the holiday season. And up here we have satin hands. You'll recognize satin hands like this. We have peach. I have one left, a citrus rose. We have the citrus lilac and fragrance free, and white tea and citrus in this fun snowy softness set. So all wrapped up and ready to go for you. And these are the fabulous peppermint patches. They're eye patches wrapped up like little peppermints. So they make such great gifts, such a great pampering treatment for yourself or for a friend. And Sanitized, this is your hand soap, your shea butter hand soap, which is fabulous, and your spray hand sanitizer. This one's great because it is unscented and it's a spray, so you can easily keep that in your car or wherever you are. So that's called Sanitized in that fun set. And then we have our Everybody Prance Now. This is the Mary Kay Mint Bliss Energizing Feet and Leg Lotion. So it tingles and helps relax your muscles. This comes in its own gift set, just like that. Or you can wrap it up so many different ways. We have the mistletoes, which are fun packaging for your mistletoes. We also have it in a fun cup that's minty feet and cozy treats. Or you can do this one that's hint of mint, just like that. And you also have it wrapped up kind of like a bow. So it's really cute gifting packaging. And who doesn't love gnomes? These are the cute little gnomes. It's the same mint lotion, just wrapped up with their mint or with their gnome body and the fuzzy socks on top. Then let's talk some glam. This is the Holly Jolly Glam Set, and this one has your choice of mascara or gloss, or mascara and gloss, your choice of formulas and shades for both, packaged up in this great cute bag, the Holly Jolly Glam Set. We also have the Sugar Plum Perfection. This one has the new limited edition Mary Kay lip case. This lip case is so cute. Check out that little zipper. It's a little lipstick itself, and then inside can hold your lip gloss, lip liner, and lipstick. This one is the Cranberry Crush. So you see this cute gift bag right here. So that's the Cranberry Crush. And then we also have the Sugar Plum Fairies, which is berry lip liner, appleberry, and the Berry Delight lip gloss. So your choice of shades. And then right next to it, we have our Fabulous set. This one is your perfect palette, your highlighter, and your bronze, your contour, alongside your cheek color with the cheek color brush. So that one is a great gift for anyone who is a glam girl. This one, Fabulous. So that one's a great one. And of course, I have fun satin lips wrapped up, and these are limited edition masking travel set of the gel mask and the charcoal mask. And we can always wrap things in a fun box, either to gift to someone just like this or to pop it in the mail. These make great mailing boxes, so I can make you a beauty box and customize it for you or for your friend. So with so many different ways to shop, hopefully you have some ideas of things that you can do and you can gift to your girlfriends. So join me here at my open house this weekend, or schedule your own date to pop by, or even virtually. So I so appreciate you. Thank you for making this season and all seasons so incredible. I am so honored to be your beauty consultant and help you feel as beautiful as you truly are inside and out. So have a great day, and I look forward to keeping you feeling fabulous.